Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the voice instruction feature on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon that can be found in the upper left corner of the screen. And then click on the settings button, which is the third option. After that, you should click on the language and voice section and click on voice instructions. So here, if you would like to enable this voice instruction feature, all you have to do is tapping on this button that can be found at the top of the screen on the right side. And then you should select the language of the voice. Here you can see the available voices. Click on the relevant one. And if you would like to download it, tap on the this download button. As you can see, it has been downloaded. It is marked with the check mark icon on the right side. So here you can see the computer voice. Navigation voice is able to read specific street names and numbers, however, it sounds more computer-like. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.